Ok. France, tu rejoins Balls avec de l'infanterie.
Quoi?
Tu rejoins
J'ai
Balls
pas
avec de
entendu.
l'infanterie.
Go.
Matey is setting all
Tu
cav
rejoins
rally.
Balls.
Oui.
Yeah, let's see. Let's let Ranger Dog hop in real quick. See if he can make it in.
I'm in.
En T4.
Oui.
Alright, and who's rallying our obelisk?
Ranger's
I'm
in.
sorry.
Holy balls.
Holy balls, yeah.
Holy balls.
Hop.
I got the runner running right now.
Chapo, with which troops for the shrine there later? Aim for cavalry.
Guys, join my rally.
Scout it.
Matey is all cav rally.
Kaori use,
Matey is all cav ra-
use Martel. So if infanterie.
Quoi?
Rien. T'inquiète, je vais parler avec eux.
That's fine, team. Right now, just chill.
What?
Just
Pourquoi
let
j'ai
us
un
like
code
figure
erreur?
out like who's missing and like who should come in, because it's not like we're not going to take all the reserves on aggressive team, right? So just give us a
Guys,
second.
T'as un code erreur parce que t'as trop de
Ouais.
troupes et qui sont trop dans le
Matey
rallye.
Ah merde.
Matey is resetting the rally. Matey
I
is
thought
resetting
you
the
were
rally.
setting rally. Okay.
Yeah, it wasn't full, so let's go. All cav.
Je peux plus lancer.
Non.
Oh, oops! I
Je viens de
forgot
te
to change
dire.
Cav.
Ok.
Oh, training day is still going on. Okay, so I'll change the Cav later.
Quand j'ai lancé, c'était ok aussi.
Sky Altar in 3 minutes. We will own Obelisk before any altar is up or anything like that, so. Damn, I'm fast as hell. Everybody's slacking.
Ok, ça.
Yeah, like
This
40
baby is
seconds
talking more
before.
than us. Oh, don't cry.
Alright, I will be back, boys.
No one is rallying us.
The fuck, my
Right.
game is lagged as fuck.
4 minutes till we hit their enemy obelisk. So far they're not reinforcing it.
What the fuck?
Timo, join. Go to defensive team, please.
Okay.
Oui. You kick me, Matthias? I'm not on your rally.
Monster is middle, right?
What?
Dans 45 secondes, tu TP France.
Oui.
Ok, let's go.
Good morning.
Hop.
Je mets pas devant hein, sur les côtés.
Non, devant.
1 minute for shrine.
T'es devant. Yes.
15 seconds before.
Il reste 14 secondes.
Yes. Tu TP devant.
Pile devant?
Yes. Si quelqu'un TP, tu te mets sur la droite ou la gauche.
Ouais.
Ok, tu peux TP. Let's go, TP.
You can teleport, guys.
Teleport. First teleporters go.
Hey, Mike. Join,
Mike.
go middle.
TP entre les deux.
Yep. So join and go. So you're gonna have to join their voice call and just make sure
Ah,
you're
mais
up
je
to
peux
date
pas.
with what they're doing.
TP
Okay?
où tu peux.
C'est bon.
Chapo,
Alright, yes.
Aim for cavalry.
Just scout it real quick, man.
C'est bon.
If there's no
I can't ready.
Je me suis trompée.
oh, they're
Non,
not open
pas
yet. They're not open yet. Send your best rally, Abby. Just send your best rally. We should all have troops sending, like, moving up there, right?
Okay, so we do in Richard. Join rally, guys.
Mosenson-
Infantry.
Mosenson called infantry rally.
Ok.
Alright, well, my infantry is still walking. I sent them into Abby.
Signe infanterie.
Alright, so Matthias will be breaking off the rally. Everybody be prepared. They're have got it.
Why is Noel coming over?
To our teleport, because they did have a mid teleport.
But
Oh, are they joining your rally? They're coming over?
no, he just took Shrine of War.
Oh, yeah. Well, that's middle team. That's how they play. They're not going to be middle until they need to be. Or are you surprised? They're also helping defensive side as well. Like they were talking about who's going to
Okay.
teleport there to help them.
Alright, guys, I'm breaking the rally off. Ready?
Ah,
Ready?
come on. Don't be a bitch.
Kimi, you need cancel your alignment. We are two, only two.
Get inside the desert altar.
That's alright.
I don't think we can win. Oh,
The,
no,
what,
okay.
the Sky
Okay.
Altar? I think we can take the Sky Altar, Abby.
My bad.
Yeah, no, I think we'll be fine. I do not think they have that many troops there. This rally
No,
is
it's
gonna
only
be
one
fine.
troop inside. It's easy.
Yep, exactly.
T'as lancé ton spy, France?
So
Oui.
that's our 5 teleports right there.
T'as rejoint les défenses?
Non.
Oh, damn, I
Dépêche-toi.
wasn't able to teleport, but that's okay.
Hôtel du ciel, faut rejoindre.
Yeah,
So-
we already
Non,
take
c'est
it.
You
l'hôtel du
were
désert.
Originally, you were first, Aldo was second. Just switch.
Non,
That's fine.
Ouais, non.
Sky Altar, hôtel du
Ok,
ciel.
ok.
Mr. Kelsey, good job sending backup troops to a rally.
So
Wait,
can
why'd
we
you
switch
cancel
to
Evie? There's nobody in there. Oh wait, we took it.
No, everyone took. I didn't cancel.
We took it. Do we have a rally going on the Shrine of Life right now, right?
Could you change me to captain on the Shrine of War, please?
Yes.
T'as spy quoi, France?
Yo,
en-
fucking Alex is a captain. That's disgusting.
Hey,
Sanctuaire de la
I
vitesse.
will reinforce. I will
Yes.
reinforce the Shrine of Skya.
Yes.
Guys, hold on. We need a garrison here. I'm gonna drop a marker, send a garrison.
I have Sky Altar.
Yeah, that's Desert Altar. We need a garrison. Shrine of Life. We gotta take that. So I'm assuming there's a rally
Simaka.
there.
I need some troops in Sky Altar though on the aggressive side.
I'll put my
Never mind, I'm good.
I have my Richard right there, man.
Cavalerie.
C'est de la cave, oui.
Ok.
If this game will
Shrine
load.
of Life is cavalry on him. If
Je
you
peux
want.
lancer un rallye dessus.
Yes, infanterie.
Hey, Mr. Cowsey,
Yes, it's me.
can you have Miss Cairo send a Charles YSG to one of their 2 holy sites that we're gonna take, so it's a better defensive up there? Maybe the Desert Altar.
She is on. You need to change the captain. She's with Martel and Richards.
Yeah, well, Ranger can captain that Sky Altar right there. That's why.
Ah,
I
finally.
noticed
Ok.
that.
How long until second teleport?
J'ai lancé un rallye Kaori, sanctuaire de la vie,
About 3
infanterie.
minutes.
Ok.
We have 1 available right now.
Matthias.
Infanterie rallyman for cavalry.
You want me to take it?
Well, technically, there's only 4 on defensive side. Hold on. Let me ask.
can you?
Sorry, Matt. I was getting ready.
Ok, tu fais attention.
Quoi?
We need more
Aldo,
people
do
in
you have a title?
Kaori's rallyman, please.
No.
Y'a personne qui rejoint.
Someone wants to make me captain.
Alright, take the teleport. Make it
Yeah,
captain
but-
where?
Tiens, 3. Y'a combien de troupes dans la défense, France?
3. Dans la défense.
Oui, sanctuaire la vie. Combien?
Guys, Desert Altar, we need defense over here. Come on.
Yes, we do.
Kick bifle,
Ouais, on-
France. Kick bifle, please.
Hein?
Kick bifle.
Kick bifle.
Oui, yes.
I gotta move.
God, you are with me? Okay. We are with me.
Force.
Let's go on the Shrine of Life.
I'm gonna set a rally on their enemy oblast, so if we can break it off, so we can get up there and help defend if we need to.
Sounds good.
All cav rally.
Good job.
I'm setting everything I have up right now.
Maybe it's just an all cav rally.
Definitely not healing this fucking match.
Oh no, I'm not healing either. Join the all cav rally. Let's go.
Guy ready is empty.
Okay. Mathias Cavrali.
Shrine of Life, the garrison is
Our
Dragon
Shrine of Life
Lancer.
or theirs?
there. It's Dragon Lancer.
We have ralliement on him. Just wait.
Hysterical.
Just swarm it, Debbie.
You want swarm? We have
Mr.
ralliement.
Cowsey, Mr. Cowsey, you're Edward. Yep.
Okay.
Good job, man. And I'm gonna get into this desert altar right here. We should be fine.
Okay.
Ranger. Oh well, never mind. You're too deep fighting outside.
Troali, il arrive bientôt.
Je suis perdu dans les noms.
C'est rien, t'inquiète pas. Ok.
James Garrison. Okay.
If we do lose this desert altar, we'll send a rally out with a bunch of reinforcements behind it. All right, don't sweat it too much. You're doing fine.
I already
everywhere
have
else.
reinforcements already on their way, so we should be. Yeah, reinforcements are on their way, so you can. If we lose this desert altar, just set a rally on it, and we'll already have
J'ai mis Alexis et Hong.
C'est
ready to
bon.
go.
All right, sounds good. That's your cab rally going, right, Matthias?
Yep.
Perfect.
Tell me when you need me, Chapeau, and where.
That was Abby, right?
Okay.
Right now, I mean, you took your structure yet, or once you take your structure, just get in there and sit.
We
This
won
is-
the Shrine of
we're
Life.
going to- Yeah, so we're going to play this very boring in the sense of once we have it, we're just gonna sit in it. You'll get your points just by sitting in there, like everybody will finish with 10k points no matter what, right? But it's
Right.
gonna be really boring in the sense that we're trying to not fight open field,
Okay.
right? Because this is something that is a good habit to get into for League, because it saves speed ups, and it's a good habit to get into for just war in general,
Yes, no
because you get
problem.
needed resources and speed ups. So
I follow
something
the
we're gonna
ralliement on the obelisk. Bro.
Je renvoie ma troupe.
Oui.
reinforcement here.
My Richard Charles Desert Altar. If you want to switch.
At the desert altar, there's the one that's being smacked right now.
Yeah.
Everyone hear me?
Il faut renforcer
That's
le
Richard
sanctuaire de la
Alex right
vie.
there.
Non.
Unless you,
Non.
here, I'll put you Richard
Non,
Charles.
tout est bon.
Boom.
Say to me when I can TP Chapeau.
Ebby, you were supposed to be one of the first 5.
Yeah.
Wait, you teleported already?
Hello?
Oh,
Oh wait, no, that is Ebby. So who's talking to me? Is that Ranger?
Il faut
No, I'm
rejoindre
not
l'hôtel du désert.
Not me.
It's
Non.
Debbie.
Ça
You
va.
hear me?
Wait, who just talked to me? I'm so confused. Who just asked to
Chapeau.
teleport?
Not me. Not Eddie.
Sorry, I thought it was you. I'm still
Yeah,
trying
no.
to get used to voices. My bad.
I had low battery on my headphone, so my wife gave me another one.
I protect
Oh,
the
good.
ralliement.
Mr. Cowsey, that was you. Let's see. We have 0 teleports available. As they progress, you are supposed to be. You're in the second wave of teleports. So as they open up, I'll let you know.
Ok.
oh yeah, we're gonna take this obelisk. Fucking right.
Yeah. Do they have everybody at the desert altar? They literally have everybody at the desert altar. Oh my goodness! You sent him a fucking Mina rally. Get out of my face, please. Don't ever.
I come to
Biffle,
the
are you
desert
in
altar.
chat? Where's Biffle?
Pour le moment, tu fais
Well,
tout
I,
bien
I
en France. Hein.
unfortunately,
Je comprends
I
pas quand il
unfortunately had
parle
my
et tout. En plus, j'entends pas ta voix. Hein.
T'en fais pas. Tout est bon, je te
my
dis.
paladin was in the desert altar. That's why.
Oh, good. Hey, Kim,
Yeah.
why is Biffle nowhere on Discord but in game? Why did he join Ark without being on Discord at all?
Because he doesn't want to play ever again.
Yeah, he's not going to. I'm not fucking with you.
I'm not fucking
I'm
with
coming.
you either. Hold on. Pip! Stop eating the plant.
When we take the obelisk, we teleport there, right?
Right.
Yes. We need some reinforcements sent to this desert altar, guys. Come on.
Ok, France, tu fais tout bien pour le moment.
Mais bon, on n'a pas de points.
On s'en fout.
Ah bon?
Guys, I have 2 markers that say reinforcements right now. Okay. One of those is being hit right now. I don't see many armies moving to it. The other one has 2 people inside. Okay. Both structures should
Heading
be
there.
full.
Ok, they follow me.
Realistically, at least the one that's not being hit right now, that there's no excuse why that's not full. Okay. This is how, like I said, this is how we get our points by sitting in the structure. That's how you're gonna get your points to get your gold heads. Okay, so you gotta sit in there. We have a total of 5 structures: 2 to defend, 3 to attack. That's 5 armies, right? That's you know, that's how the spread drew up, and it drew up like that for a reason. You know, 5 armies should always be in use, and none of those uses should be open field. So if you don't, let's say you didn't get a chance to join the rally, right? So guess what? Your march is now a reinforcement march, walking with the rally. Okay. If you did get to join the rally, you can't send a reinforcement march. There's other people to send those reinforcements. I don't know if that makes sense, but
I have a question.
Yeah.
Since we have all the map, can we go open field so we can get 10k points?
Yeah. Just wait to teleport up.
Ok.
Guys, we
But-
got their oblast. We got their oblast. We just won.
Once we can teleport up and everything, do so and go after cities.
Yeah, I'm gonna fucking this 65 million player. I'm gonna rally right off the bat.
I say I'm gonna port up then. Once we have them.
Oh, dude, I'm fucking defensive obelisk. I'm porting there so fast, and I'm storming that city so fast. 92 million. He's getting swarmed.
We're gonna make rally to the cities or we go solo?
We can make rallies, but so
We
here's the
gotta
thing with
hold this
rally.
obelisk go.
I'm only okay with rallies on cities if the person cancels before the wall gets burned, right? So in Ark, if a rally is successful at the end, your wall will be on fire and you get teleported out. If a rally is canceled at the very end before you defeat them, they don't get put on fire. So you get to keep rallying without them teleporting out.
Ok, France, tu peux
Oh,
faire
they
de
took it
l'open
back.
field.
Et le rallye sur l'obélisque, t'as vu?
Rallied again.
Ouais, mais là on peut faire de l'open field pour avoir les 10 points.
Ouais, donc ils font pas de rallye sur l'obélisque.
Si, ils vont en refaire
Qu'on
un.
n'a pas eu.
Si, ils vont en refaire un.
Ah oui.
Hold on.
En fonction de la troupe dedans. Ok.
Ouais.
Can I teleport?
On fait de l'open field sur où aussi?
Partout où tu
Can
veux.
we the obelisk?
Upon you, have you teleported yet?
No. Can I now?
Mais c'est pas mon truc ça. On peut aller au milieu alors.
Non.
Yeah, I don't see
Sur
why
la
not.
droite.
Hein?
Non.
Okay.
À
Ah, sur la
droite.
droite.
I'm gonna rally against the obelisk. Is that okay? Cavalry
That is-
rally.
Ok, cavalerie rallye sur l'obélisque, ça sera de la cavalerie.
No teleport.
C'est qui lance?
Cavalry my rally, please.
God Abbey.
C'est Warrior.
Non.
Hein?
God Abbey.
Merde.
Not use Miss South.
Au débit.
God AD rally. Entrez, s'il te plaît.
Cavalerie, yes.
Join at the
Cavalerie.
Oui.
Guys, I teleported and I don't have my troops.
Ooh.
Tu vois l'hôtel du désert en haut à gauche?
L'hôtel du désert à gauche, oui.
Tu prends tes troupes et t'y vas, à pied. Et tu tapes.
I'm about to smack this guy with
Toute
siege.
personne que tu vois.
No, my troops, dude. I had 4 armies like sitting somewhere. They gotta walk back.
L'hôtel du désert, t'as dit.
Oui. Ouais, ça. Tiens.
Beautiful. Full obelisk rally. I love it. Everybody get to that obelisk.
I can't help you,
Support.
Mathias.
Avec quoi, Mina?
Ce que t'as envie, ce que t'as.
Just gonna smack this guy with everything.
Mais y a personne.
Si plus haut, il y a leur base.
Oh.
Ok.
Ah oui,
Guys.
à l'obélisque alors.
Yes. We have no opponents.
No.
It's boring as fuck.
Merci. Qui a parlé français ici?
You guys will be pushing up to the obelisk, right?
Yeah,
Yep.
I am.
Alright, so I'll leave my Ethelflaed out here to start debuffing them when the rally hits. Perfect. That's all I need to know. Thank you. Actually, I'll put my Mina here to reinforce the rally as well. Even better. Just need Richard to walk.
1 minute 20 seconds till ready reach
Ok.
obelisk.
Perfect.
Mathias, take care. Your troops. Chapeau too, take care.
Take care of my troops, man.
Yes,
Fuck,
Ethel
they
Felda.
wanna smack them. They want to smack them. They want to smack you.
Quoi?
Non, je te parle pas à toi.
Oh, bah.
Ah,
T'en fais
dude, that
pas.
guy's. that guy's
Tu joues très bien, tu fais tout bien.
I don't do that. I did it in my life.
Ok,
50 seconds.
They have a belly.
let's go follow the rallyment.
This guy's gonna storm the rally, guys. We need to make sure we stop him.
They have T5.
Yeah,
Protect the
he's still gonna storm the rally though.
Yes. We,
Oh my
we need
goodness,
smash
gosh.
Minamoto before.
Chapo, rally that guy so you
Rally.
get 10k.
Yeah.
Ok, dès que tu y es au nord, tu tapes dès que tu vois un bonhomme France.
Oui, à l'obélisque.
Oui, 3 fois.
So,
Hmm?
so they
ouais.
swarm my troops rather than the fucking rally.
I'm with you.
Dumbasses.
It's fine.
I got kicked out and I can't get back in.
Focus
Turn your game off,
Minamoto,
turn back on.
Mathias.
Oh.
Okay.
We can win. Tiens. Change the target, Minamoto again. When you see G, we kill Y Ace G.
Jesus, my game just crashed.
Ok. Kill the nuker first. Ok, tu tapes Yisong en premier, France. Et les Minamoto. Et la troupe, elle est
non,
arrivée chez toi, je te le dis. Elle est arrivée ta troupe.
Non, je te tapais de l'infanterie puisque j'ai mis envoyer.
Ah oui.
Et leur ici donc.
Ok.
I'm gonna clear these
YS
cities out.
G, kill YS G, please. Ok. He's dead.
My Discord just died.
Mixed, please.
Mixed. Ok. Ranger, c'est mixte, France.
Ranger,
Oui. C'est-à-dire toutes les troupes.
n'importe quoi comme.
Ça.
Stormy just said it was my fault that he's not in Discord.
Ok. Ici on...
Des T5 on peut, hein.
Ouais, principalement T4.
Tant pis.
Oh, they have take the obelisk. Ok.
Why can't I get anything? I'm screwed.
Matthias is setting an all cav rally.
I didn't
All
see that.
cav rally on a city.
Ok. Mathias Cav Rallyment. France.
Oui.
Mathias c'est rallye. Cav. Okay, it's all good. So we rally the city just for take point.
Chapo, what?
Tiens,
All infantry, okay.
ok. Chapeau infanterie.
How the fuck you... what? Oh, you teleported way the hell up there. Oh, never mind. Kick me out. Kick me
He
out.
did.
Oh, you teleport.
Kick-
Okay, you are so far.
Yeah. Chapo, kick me out of that rally. Fuck.
Is he here?
J'ai plus de fil.
Fais avec ce que t'as.
J'ai plus de fil pour l'instant.
Tant pis, c'est pas grave. All good. De toute façon, Chapeau, tu peux pas le rejoindre, il est trop loin. You are so far, Chapeau.
Where is Chapo? Is he in here?
No, doesn't seem. When can I ever teleport? What the hell?
We told you could before. Are there any ports to left?
Yeah.
Did Chapo take it on it? Did Chapo take it?
Yeah, he took it. Asshole.
So we can rally the city if we want? Or just the leader can?
Yes, it's make sure the structures are taken care of.
Okay. So I can rally?
Yeah, it looks good. We can. Yes, we can rally.
Okay. Mixed troop, please. Oh, no, infantry. It's fine. Yes, infantry.
Qui?
Dans mon ralliement.
Mix troop, c'est ça?
Non, infantry.
Hey guys, I'm gonna have a rally walk into a city. Can you just maybe refill it with infantry when it gets there? Because defensive team sucks at filling rallies. That would be fantastic. It's only got 700k in it. They're god awful at filling rallies. But then again, I can't blame them. They're split between two things right now.
Aponia, you better teleport while you can.
I know, but I just sent my troops out, and now everyone's teleporting. So.
Just put them in a holy site. That's it.
I'm doing that, but everyone's teleporting out. I see it.
We have 4 teleports available. You'll be fine.
Okay, hold on.
Well, we're
No, we literally have a total of 4 ports available. Like we just picked up 2 more obelisks, so we have a total of 10 more teleports. We have more teleports than we need.
Storm the rally.
Storm
Oh,
the rally.
give me one.
Okay.
Where
Kim,
can I teleport? Enemy obelisk now?
yeah, the top one. Guys, when my rally walks, Kim is the guy right in front of you. Can you please toss infantry in there? Same thing with Ebby and Monster. Just toss some infantry in there.
Yep, I'm sitting there waiting.
Although, if you're gonna swarm, make sure you pull back before you win. So
Yeah.
you don't want him to burn. That's why I'm fucking rallying this guy over here because the dumbasses on defensive side made the city burn.
Yeah.
So the 92 mil player guy got teleported out. Like that was everybody's 10k points right there. Just keep rallying him and canceling at the end.
Ok.
But no.
Joue juste les points, France. Hein.
Bah, j'ai pas beaucoup de points. Hein.
Non, mais c'est ce que je te dis, joue les points. Ok. They have TP, so my rally is cancelled.
Guys are swarming my rally card.
Guys, stop swarming before it burns.
Just, yeah, don't swarm cities. Just rally them.
La moindre
Cancel.
troupe dispo que t'as, France, tu vas à Obélisque et tu tapes.
Daddy's the one swarming.
Bah oui, j'en ai pas pour l'instant.
Booba swarming everything.
Quand les rallyes sont finis, t'auras.
Bah ouais.
Why is SS over here?
I don't know, dude. Defensive side got boring as hell because they told you they made that guy teleport out.
That's true.
They're
Where is
so-
your rally?
Oh, it's walking. Got a minute.
De toute façon, c'est hyper simple. Find your way of win.
Bubba, I literally just went into middle to make sure that they don't storm cities. to the point where they burn, then
Ok.
they're still swarming cities to the point where they burn.
Avec
Oh my goodness.
les
Shit
troupes que
makes
t'as,
no
France,
sense.
tu swarmes les villes.
Ah bah, je suis
Matthias,
parti à l'obélisque.
toss that Alex in my rally.
Gotcha.
Bah c'est bon.
It's walking
Faudra
right
juste
now.
swarm les villes du coup.
C'est-à-dire.
I swear to God, this thing just went from like
Attaquer une ville.
Tu tires sur la ville, c'est ça?
C'est ça. Avec toutes tes troupes qui reviennent là.
Wait, can you guys kill those guys' troops so they go back in the city so my rally isn't pointless on the city?
Bois d'Issée, France.
Quoi, baptisé?
Bah bouge là. Viens avec moi.
I'm just hitting everything outside
T'es
the
où?
city.
Not the Richard
Regarde
camp.
ta bois d'Issée, regarde ton jeu. Je suis à ta gauche.
Oui.
It's targeted.
Je suis devant la
Je
ville.
l'envoie sur quoi?
Targeted
La
wrong.
ville.
So you don't drag.
Qui a
They
des
were
gros
right
soirs.
next to each other. I tap.
Tape la ville. Et même avec
Ouais,
la
ça y est.
troupe que t'as dans l'obélisque, tu tapes.
Opponent, are you really using a CPL open field right now in Arc League?
I
So
have all my
sandwich.
troops in every structure. That's all.
Sandwich is using Scipio.
Swarm de City.
Hey,
I mean, it's melting the richer.
who is
Someone just
hitting a
hitting
city? Mr. Cowsey, there's
Yes?
a rally walking, bro. Don't storm the city, just join the rally.
Fine, I don't kill him before you.
It doesn't matter. That means like now the troops I get to kill in the rally are like literally half.
Mm.
The rally's just kind of a waste of time.
We don't.
Like there's no point to swarm. Like at least let the rally hit first and then swarm, right? And now literally like the rally was
They have all
Okay.
TP.
yeah. For that I
Yeah.
just wasted like 3 minutes walking.
Tape-le encore France. Hein. Ta troupe elle s'est arrêtée.
During the
Avec Bois
rally,
d'Issée et
don't
toutes tes autres
swarm.
troupes, tu ramènes toutes tes troupes là et tu tapes. Faut que tu fasses tes points.
Now there's too many people swarming. I can't even get a hit.
Ok, t'es bientôt à 10 000.
Alrighty, anybody at 20 mil? I'm gonna go start walking around and calling them out. Okay.
Continue, continue. Let's go
If you're at
swarm.
10k points, stop fighting.
What?
If you're at 10k points, stop fighting.
Mm.
I'm not fighting.
You're not a 10k, are you?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, you're just a 10k. Because now we're
Ok,
playing
t'as les 10 000
the
points.
game. We have 7 people we need to get to 10k.
Ok, good job, all.
And now there's nothing we can rally.
Just go sit up. Go sit at their
Like I
gate.
said, go
Sit at
park
their
by the
gate
gate.
and sit inside their fucking base.
Mhm.
You mean
France.
sit at their-
Oui.
Avec les troupes que t'as, tu dois
Because
devant leur
they're
base
gonna
et tu
need
tapes.
10,000 points too.
Maintenant, sont presque mortes.
Non mais tu les fais revenir chez toi et tu y retournes.
Oui, oui.
Ok.
Quelle base tu parles?
Aucune base. Le point bleu en haut.
Ah, tout en haut.
Mm.
If I see anybody with 10k points up here, I'm gonna be very
Yes.
upset, bro.
You can fight behind the base if you want.
I swear to God.
Chapeau
Up to the
and
gate.
Ranger.
Keep the buildings reinforced because they're sending belly torches.
Elles sont longues à revenir.
Mm.
Mais il n'y a pas de pouce dans la ligue?
Non.
D'accord.
So we stop fight if we have 10k points.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I wait. funny match.
Yeah, if you don't have 10,000 points. Also get into structures too, I guess. But...
C'est pas possible ça.
T'as les 10 000 points, t'as plus besoin de te battre.
Oh, bah si, on va continuer.
Comme tu veux. Tu soignes pas.
Non, 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 je soigne pas.
Oh, they got the defense obelisk.
Ok. Take care, balls on the desert altar.
Chapo still in here?
We need dev the desert altar, I think. Okay, no, it's fine. Bah bien joué France. Hein.
Bah, ils étaient pas
À
terribles.
ta
hein.
droite de ton Minamoto, t'as un Belisaire, tu vois. Derrière ton Minamoto.
Desert altar is fine.
Pourquoi tu ris?
Parce que ça me fait rire.
Quoi?
Ouais, tu les
Lost an
cours après.
outpost to Seth on the defense side. Someone wanna go get that outpost to Seth?
There's one belly walking around.
Ah, mais c'est toi qui es là?
Mm. Je vais le bloquer, je vais le bloquer. Il est bloqué. Hop. On va lui courir après 10 ans, hein. Arrête de courir après.
Allez.
Il a moins de troupes, du coup il va courir. Ok. Joue avec ton Alexandre en haut.
Oh oui, c'est ce que je vais faire.
They are taking obelisk.
Hmm.
Who's responsible for that obelisk?
Yeah. Aid de obélisque. Ah non, d'accord. Good shop.
Du coup, c'est pas marrant, ils sortent plus.
Hmm. Ils ont peut-être fait leur 10 points. Let's go Ranger. Sinon, t'essaies de viser dans leur base. Il y a des endroits sur le côté droit ou gauche de la map où tu peux passer de l'autre côté.
Ah bah attends, je suis à la porte là.
Essaie de passer sur la gauche et tout. Regarde, il y en a qui arrivent.
Comment ça, à gauche ou à droite?
Tu mets ton doigt et tu passes sur la gauche.
On a le droit d'entrer dedans?
Normalement non, mais il y a des endroits où tu peux, c'est un bug. Donc fais-le, comme ça il t'attaque. Tu prends ton Alexandre et t'essaies de le faire sur la droite. Le plus loin possible en fait, faut le faire. Et ta troupe elle va s'arrêter au genre. T'y arrives?
Je la fais passer, enfin je le fais rentrer dedans, c'est ça?
Hello, y'all. We have
Non.
3 people left to get to 10k. Ranger, you're very close. Seeker, you're in here, right? Seeker. Buddy,
à l'intérieur.
My game is
Oui, il faut que je l'emmène à
locked up
l'intérieur.
Alright, Seeker, you can be lagging, that's fine. Here's what you're gonna do. Because we have time. You're gonna send as many armies as you can without healing, right? So whatever you have left. And you're gonna walk to their base. Now when you are at their base, you're going to drag your armies. So triple tap all 5, double tap all 5, so you get to select them, and you're gonna drag them and find an edge at the corner of their base. So the mountain range that makes their base. You find an edge at the corner, it's going to let your troops walk inside. Okay, as your troops walk inside, park them between the cities. They'll hit you. You'll get your 3k points that you need to hit 10k. Okay.
France.
It's even if you're lagging, it's not like you're gonna have to be fighting. You're literally gonna park your troops there. They're gonna fight you. Okay.
Okay. Prends ta
So
troupe.
do that. You should hit your points, and then Drago, who is mid lane. I think it'll be fine. Ranger, do you need? I mean, you should do that as well, man. I don't know if you're gonna get them because they're not really coming out. If you want to just
Man, my game is just lagging bad. I can't even move my guys.
Oh, dude,
That's my
that fight
biggest
in front of their gate was worse than any war.
I can't do anything. My guys won't move.
I had to reset the game. If you do it, you'll have like a 10-second delay between like the game realizing that there's a league match going on, and then you can come back in. And it was like a lot better for me if you want to try that.
Yeah, I'll try that.
Like I went from not being able to move my Alex in that fight to actually being able to position him, which is a pretty big upgrade.
Vise à l'intérieur, France.
Et il me dit que c'est impossible
Sur la
de
droite,
rentrer.
sur les côtés à droite. Mais vraiment le bord de la montagne à l'intérieur. Tu peux y arriver.
Bord de la montagne.
Tu vois le bâtiment à droite? Où il y a des lanternes? Des coins en feu là. Tu le vois? Dedans?
Ouais. Devant les portes?
C'est ça, vise sur la montagne. Mais côté intérieur. Jusqu'à ce que tu aies un point vert qu'elle se
Attends,
déplace
bug de jeu. Mon jeu s'est
Yeah, I
fermé.
can move.
Okay.
I can move now.
Alright, do you know the trick to how to get into their base or no?
Yeah, I'm.
En voulant entrer dedans, bah.
Alright, man. Good thing. Good shit. I mean, we got 12 minutes. I think we'll be fine. Seeker's definitely gonna hit it as well.
I'm okay. I've got a building, so.
Oh, perfect. That means everybody should hit 10k.
Ah, je peux pas rentrer dedans.
which is
Je peux
perfect.
plus rentrer. Ah, ça y est.
Crie pas.
J'ai peur.
And we have 8 teleports available if anybody who is still at base wants to teleport. Just move up. There's no harm to it.
Ok. Tu prends ta troupe
So like Seeker, if you can
Ouais.
teleport,
et tu vises la
go for
montagne à
it, man.
droite, à l'intérieur.
Ouais, si.
Là
Ouais.
où il y a les lanternes. Et tu essayes d'avoir un point vert. Et tu vas rentrer dedans. Tu vois le bâtiment à droite où il y a le feu? Je te parle.
Oui.
Ok. Tu prends ta troupe et tu essaies de cliquer sur la montagne. Mais côté intérieur, pas extérieur. Jusqu'à ce qu'il y ait un point vert, donc que ta troupe elle bouge. C'est comme ça qu'on rentre dedans. Au pire des cas, si t'y arrives pas, je te l'ai montré dans la vidéo. Là, je l'ai fait, du coup, tu pourras le voir. T'as compris?
Bah, j'y arrive pas à rentrer du tout.
Tu prends ta troupe
Ouais, c'est ce que je
et
fais.
t'essaies de placer ton doigt sur la droite jusqu'à ce que tu y arrives. N'importe où tu peux,
Ouais.
sur la montagne. Même à l'autre bout si tu dois, je m'en fous. À droite, là, le bâtiment. Soit au-dessus du bâtiment, soit en dessous. T'essaies de rentrer.
Ça y est, ça y est, ça y est.
Voilà. En fait, faut essayer plusieurs fois. Ah, mais moi, je t'avais dit à droite et toi, t'es à gauche. Déjà, vu que tu connais pas ta droite et ta gauche, ça marche pas très bien.
Bah non, mais pour moi, à droite, c'est à droite.
Bah non, à droite, c'est à droite. Je te l'ai expliqué tout à l'heure sur le plan.
Donc alors, c'est à gauche.
Non, c'est à droite. La droite, c'est la droite et la gauche, c'est la gauche. Faut juste que tu connaisses ta droite et ta gauche.
Non, mais je connais ma droite et ma gauche.
Là, c'est bon. Et là, ce que tu fais, c'est que tu stoppes ta troupe.
Mais je veux...
Essaye d'avancer encore plus loin et tu la restoppes au milieu des autres villes, en fait.
See, what are we at?
J'y arrive pas à avancer.
Everybody's at 10k. Good shit.
Good job. Regarde, je suis là, je suis avec toi. Et je vais essayer de passer
Et il veut pas avancer.
Bah, c'est normal.
Impossible de marcher.
Faut essayer, faut essayer. Va où il y a tout le monde.
Ok.
Mets ton doigt où il y a tout le monde là-haut. À droite. Tiens, regarde, tu
Ouais.
te fais attaquer là, de toute façon.
Ah, mais j'arrive pas du tout à
On
avancer.
s'en fout, tu peux pas, je te l'ai dit. C'est un bug.
Ah, ok.
T'es dans un bug là, en fait. Tu peux que te faire attaquer, c'est tout.
Je peux attaquer la ville?
Non, c'est ce que je viens de te dire, tu peux que te faire attaquer.
Ah, d'accord. Merde.
Non mais c'est rien, bouge pas, c'est le but.
Ah bon?
Bah tu fais des points. Quand on t'attaque.
Ah bon?
Bah oui.
D'accord. Mais j'ai jamais fait ça, moi.
C'est normal, c'est la première fois qu'on va dans la base adverse.
D'accord.
Ah moi je me fais attaquer au-dessus de toi. It's so long. Tu vas gagner plus de points que moi, je pense.
Bon, non, t'es au-dessus.
Mes troupes, elles sont mortes. Les tiennes vivantes, et là, il y a tout le monde qui vient sur toi.
Ah oui. On va se faire un plaisir.
Non, tu vas te faire plaisir, c'est des T4. Avec des sièges. Tu vas dépasser beaucoup de gens, là. Yes.
Pourquoi tu ris?
Bah, tu les éclates. Regarde.
Non, je regarde pas.
Si, regarde, tu les tues. Ils sont 4 contre toi. 5, 6.
En fait, j'essaye de faire rentrer mon mina.
T'es bon, t'es passé devant. Ah, sinon, tu vises où il y a tout le monde en haut à droite et tu stoppes ta troupe au milieu des villes. T'es en train de les détruire. T'as réussi?
Ah non, non, attends, elle avance. Mais c'est pas possible. C'est trop long.
Je sais pas où elle est, ta troupe. Ah, ton Alexandre va mourir bientôt.
Oh mince,
Bon, c'est pas grave.
le
Hein.
pauvre. Il reste encore 6 minutes.
Du coup, t'es passé 17ème, là tu vas passer plus haut encore.
Ah, j'étais 17ème.
Non, tu vas être 17ème. T'étais dans les dernières avec moi.
Oh merde.
Non. Tiens. Olaf de Points. T'es morte.
T'es morte.
Comme une petite merde. Ah, je vois ton Minamoto. T'as réussi? Non. Allez, arrive à le mettre dedans.
Ouais, c'est bon.
Ah, mais tu l'as mis sur le côté.
Ouais, mais attends, je vais pouvoir le rebouger peut-être, non?
Bon, tu te fais déjà attaquer. Hein.
Oh merde.
C'est pas grave, c'est le but. Hein. Stop ta troupe là. Arrête là. Il y a tout le monde à côté de toi, ils vont t'attaquer.
Mais il n'y a plus personne à vocal?
Bah non, c'est fini.
Bah non, il reste encore 4 minutes.
Tout le monde est encore là, mais personne ne parle, puisque du coup, faites les points. Vous êtes juste en train de faire vos points.
C'est ça. Oh, il y a un français de plus, tiens, du coup.
Il y a un français.
Oui.
Sin Lausanne. L'inverse de Lausanne Sin.
Ah, d'accord.
Kimi, elle est française alors, du coup?
Non, elle est américaine.
D'accord, mais pourquoi t'as le même pseudo qu'elle alors?
À ton avis.
Vous êtes en couple?
C'est ça.
C'est ce que je me suis dit, mais j'étais pas sûr à 100%. T'es en couple avec une américaine?
Ah oui, d'accord.
Ah, mais il y en a, ils vivent le rêve américain alors.
Je suis pas sûr que tout le monde comprenne ce que vous avez dit depuis le début. Mais c'était assez drôle.
En fait, c'est le but entre guillemets. Elle comprend pas l'anglais, du coup, je dois tout lui traduire en fait.
Ok. Par contre, elle a intérêt, je pense, enfin, Kaori, je pense qu'elle a intérêt à apprendre le nom des bâtiments en anglais. Au moins ça.
Ouais, en fait, je lui ai appris là à l'instant, mais déjà, si tu veux, déjà retenir le plan d'Osiris, on a dû le refaire 10 minutes avant, alors des fois, c'est un peu compliqué.
Il y a des maps, si t'as besoin, je t'en envoie. Parce que j'ai travaillé sur le plan aussi, je travaille sur le plan. Donc si tu veux...
Bah vas-y, si
ça
tu
s'envoie.
Bah vas-y, on va. Comme ça, on va la retenir au moins, ce sera plus simple. Après, de toute façon, moi je lui donne en anglais et en français, donc après, c'est pas bien compliqué.
Ouais, après, t'as une perte de temps et de réactivité globalement, donc...
C'est sûr, mais bon.
Je t'ai envoyé les 2 maps classiques.
Du coup, t'étais là depuis le début alors?
Oui.
T'as dû rigoler alors.
C'est ça.
Mais t'étais pas backup normalement?
Si, je suis backup.
Et t'es venu juste écouter alors?
Non, en fait, c'est un peu plus compliqué. Je suis backup, mais normalement, j'irai pas sur le terrain, à moins grosse nécessité. Le but, c'est juste que je vois ce qui fonctionne et ce qui ne fonctionne pas.
Ok.
Et pourquoi tu joues pas?
Différentes raisons. Mais je laisse la place. C'est pas important que je joue.
Pour être gentil avec lui, on va dire que c'est parce qu'il est nul et qu'il a que 50 millions de puissance.
57, quasiment 58.
C'est ce que j'ai dit. Du coup, ils ont mis les... Bah, en gros, de toute façon, c'est pas compliqué. Enfin, c'est logique. Ils ont mis tous ceux qui ont le plus de puissance en premier et les autres en dessous.
Non, c'est pas logique. C'est pas logique parce que quand je vois vos pairings, elles sont très mauvaises pour la plupart des gens.
C'est
avez
quoi les pérines?
C'est
les
tes
associations de
tes
commandants.
associations de troupes.
En
C'est quoi?
gros,
J'ai pas compris.
Association
les
de troupes.
associations de commandants. En gros, si je regarde la tienne, Kaori,
Ah, elle a des bons combos, hein, normalement, tout est good. Hein.
je regarde. Ils ont changé, hein. Ils ont été update il y a pas longtemps.
Ah,
Je
mais
peux te renvoyer tous
nous,
mes
on a,
T'inquiète, je
commandants.
les ai.
on a tout mis sur le site depuis le début.
Ouais, je regarde.
Je travaille avec elle sur toutes ses paires, il y en a aucune qui est mauvaise, à part les épiques qu'elle a encore, mais...
C'est pas... Non, l'épique est pas mauvaise, c'est juste qu'elle est inutile pour la Coff Osiris en fait. La Belisarius Pelagius, tu t'en serviras jamais en fait.
Bah,
Si t'es
là, on a
obligé
été obligé de s'en
sortir,
servir.
ouais.
Pour rejoindre un ralliement, ou même pour taper n'importe quoi.
Bah.
C'est sorti juste pour faire des points, quoi. Sinon, tu la sors
Alexandre
pas.
Charles,
Hein.
oui. Edward Wedgie, oui. Elle a pas canne? Enfin, t'as canne ou pas?
Non.
Pas encore.
Ok.
Non, mais moi, je joue pas non plus depuis très
Non,
longtemps.
mais je regarde juste.
Are y'all good?
2, 3.
Good match.
Elle peut faire Alexandre Yiseong, elle peut faire Yiseong Alexandre.
Pas intéressant, garde le Alexandre Charles.
Alexandre
guys, just-
Charles. Oui, c'est
One
intéressant.
thing. Oh, hey, son. One thing.
Oui.
The only thing I saw us doing not too well was sending reinforcements to a building. We were sending reinforcements behind a rally very well. You know, we had a good amount of people. I always saw at least, you know, I would like to see more than 4 armies, but I always saw 3 to 4 armies behind a rally. Okay. Somebody can comment if I'm wrong here, but that's what I saw. The only thing was the 2 buildings that I still have a reinforced marker in at the beginning, people weren't sending troops there. Right? That's just like little habit, you know, send a troop there, let it AFK, understand that like that's one less army to fight with, right? But that means that should they rally that, we're now not stuck scrambling to get the troops there because they're already there. You get what I'm saying?
Yep.
That was the only thing I
Yep.
noticed as far as our team goes. Everything else, we did the plan as exactly